very delightful to see a mall in Bengaluru have a traditional look. As the Dasara festival approaches, the city of Bengaluru is gearing up for the festive season. The Garuda Mall is exceptionally decorated for the festival. The mall will have a completely traditional look until October 24th, showcasing Dasara Dibba, dolls of gods and goddesses, and much more. In front of the mall, one can see the Mahanavami Dibba replicated and created. It was built by King Krishnadevaraya in 1513 AD, and this is the place where the king of Vijayanagar would celebrate the festival of Dussehra. Also, the mall entrance has been decorated with the arches of Mysuru Palace. Around 1,000 dolls have been displayed in the mall to celebrate Gombe Habba, the festival of dolls. These dolls of gods and goddesses are described and written about in the various scriptures of the Hindu religion, like the Vedas, Shlokas, Upanishads, and much more. All these dolls have been created by artists from Pan-India, and this achievement is expected to be in the prestigious Asia Book of Records. For more such updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.